Hi guys, happy Wowzy Wednesday. This was actually from yesterday, Taco Tuesday. By the way, this is February 18th. Good afternoon. So the judge ordered, we know that Taco ordered all of this slave history to be removed. All right, so let me just, this is them protesting. This is where the history was. The dirty business of slavery. That's one of them that was removed. And this is what they put in there. Learn all history. Somebody put that there. I don't know if it was kids or somebody. Anyway, here is the order. Okay. This is what we need. This is what we need the judges to do. We need them to do that. So listen to exactly what she put in the beginning. Memo, opinion, all history was pamphletless, scraped clean, and rescribed exactly as often as was necessary. In no case would it have been possible, once the deed was done, to prove any falsification had taken place. George Orwell, 1984. As if the Ministry of Truth in George Orwell's 1984 now existed with its motto, ignorance is strength. This court is now asked to determine whether the federal government has the power it claims to disassemble historical truths when it has some domain over historical facts. It does not. The President's House is a component of Independence National Historical Park that commemorates the site of the first official presidential residence and people who lived there, including people enslaved by President George Washington. On January 22nd, 2026, the National Park Service removed panels, displays, and video exhibits that reference slavery and information about the individual enslavement at the President's house. This judge, in this 40-page order yesterday, for these reasons, the plenary motion for a plenary injunction will be granted. There can be no prejudice to defendant's restoration of the status quo as of January 21st, which requires defendants reinstall all panels, displays, and video exhibits that were previously in place. Defendants shall further prevent any additions, removals, destruction, or further changes to any kind of presidential house site, except in the event a mutual written agreement is reached between the defendant and the city of Philadelphia. An order will be entered. Boom. Okay? So this judge is not taking anything for granted. And that's what we need judges to do. Okay? That's the judge's name, U.S. District Judge Cynthia Roth, if I'm pronouncing her name correctly. Okay? So this is very important because she literally cites 1984, and it's very important that we understand when judges are citing Orwell's 1984, we're there. We don't have to wait, guys. We're exactly in 1984 territory right now. Okay? February 17th, that's yesterday.